In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore OneDrive to a previous date and time. Whether you've accidentally deleted some files or need to recover an earlier version of your documents, this guide will walk you through each step of the process. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, open your browser, navigate to the Microsoft login page, and enter your credentials. Be sure to double check that you're using the correct account associated with your OneDrive storage to avoid any confusion as we proceed. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of the page for the Apps Launcher icon. Clicking on this will bring up a list of the various Microsoft services and applications available to you. From this list, find and select OneDrive. This will take you directly to your OneDrive homepage where you'll be able to view all of your stored files and folders. On your OneDrive homepage, locate and click on the Settings icon. Typically represented by a gear icon, this will open up a menu with various options and settings. Select the options link from this menu to continue. Navigating through these settings will provide you with the opportunity to make changes and adjustments to your OneDrive preferences. With the options menu now open, look for the Restore Your OneDrive link. Clicking on this will present you with the tools needed to revert to an earlier version of your OneDrive. An essential feature to note is that the ability to restore OneDrive is available on premium accounts, so if you have such an account, you should be able to proceed without hindrance. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu where you can select a specific date and time to which you want your OneDrive to revert. This drop-down presents you with several predefined time options, or if you need a specific point in time, you can choose the custom date and time option. Selecting the right date and time is crucial, as it will determine the version of your OneDrive that you will restore. Finally, once you've made your selection and you're confident in your choice, click the Restore button. This final step will initiate the restoration process, and OneDrive will revert your files to the selected date and time. Depending on the number of files and the extent of changes, this may take a few moments, so be patient as OneDrive works to recover your previous data. And that's it, you've successfully restored your OneDrive to an earlier date and time. By following these steps, you ensure that your important files and documents are back where they should be. Remember, always double check your selected date and time to prevent any missed data. Thanks for watching and happy restoring.